Hello, mister. Yeah, look what I got. So this one's a parrot. Yeah, that's what you are. A parrot. Yeah, that's a parrot. And then we have lovebirds. There's the birdies. Yeah. So we have lovebirds. And then we have, what's that? A budgie. Yes, Kevin Tweedy. We got budgies, don't we? Our budgies. A dog. We got two of those out there, don't we? Yeah, dog. Ruff, ruff, dog. So we have dogs, don't we? We have cat. Yeah, it's cat. And say cat. We've got one of those too, don't we? We have a pretty cat. Oh, what's that? A green tree frog. Yeah, we have them outside, don't we? Yeah. They're always in our drains, aren't they? Yeah. It's a frog. So we have a frog. Look. We have a mouse. Yeah. They're the naughty things that are getting into the pineapples, aren't they? Yeah. And then we have a rat. Yeah, you don't like a rat. What about this one? We have a gecko. Yeah, we have geckos outside, don't we? Yeah, on the front. Look, this one is a goldfish. Yeah, goldfish. Did you like all the cards with the animals on there? My heat pack's better, isn't it? Yeah. Hey? Did you want to have a look at one? Oh, there you go. See ya. Aren't you a clever boy? Yeah, you're going to rip it up and tear it into bits, aren't you? Oh, poor goldfish. Yeah, poor goldfish. That's no good.